Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for July 16th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. And stay tuned till the end for today's AI market roundup. Breaking news. Japan just built the world's first national AI factory, and it's powered by NVIDIA. Our approach to bioresilience. Google DeepMind, Google's AI research lab, and Isomorphic Labs just shared how they're using AI to protect us from future biological threats. Think of it like an AI-powered early warning system for pandemics. What this means for you: AI could help stop the next health crisis before it starts. Japan government, industrial leaders, and NVIDIA launched the world's first national AI infrastructure. NVIDIA is teaming up with Japan to build the world's first national AI factory. It uses 13,750 NVIDIA Vera CPUs and 27,500 NVIDIA Rubin GPUs. That's enough computing power to train massive AI models. Think of it like a national power plant, but for AI. What this means for you: Japan is betting big on AI to boost its economy, and that could mean smarter robots and faster services for everyone. Applied Computing wants to give oil and gas operators an AI model for the entire plant. Applied Computing raised $20 million to build an AI model for oil and gas plants. It's like a smart brain that monitors an entire refinery, spotting problems before they happen. What this means for you: AI could make energy production safer and more efficient, which might help keep your gas prices stable. Microsoft is reportedly training salespeople to talk down OpenAI and Anthropic. Microsoft is reportedly teaching its sales team to convince customers that Microsoft's own AI models are better than OpenAI's and Anthropic's. This is a big shift. Microsoft invested billions in OpenAI, but now they're competing directly. What this means for you: the AI market is getting more competitive, which could lead to better prices and more choices for you. The Strait of Hormuz closure sent gas prices up. EV stocks quietly benefited. Here's why. The Strait of Hormuz closure caused gas prices to spike, and EV stocks like Tesla and Rivian saw a boost. When gas gets expensive, more people consider electric cars. What this means for you: if gas prices stay high, your next car might be electric, and it could save you money in the long run. Social Buzz Wall Street Bets stocks mixed pre-bell Thursday. AST SpaceMobile SanDisk to open lower. Stocks popular on Reddit's Wall Street Bets were mixed today. AS SpaceMobile ASTS and SanDisk WDC opened lower, while others held steady. What this means for you: Reddit-driven trading can create short-term volatility, but long-term investing based on fundamentals is usually safer. AI Market Roundup. Citi says Google, Meta, and Amazon AMZN could spend over $800 billion on AI this year. Also, Palantir just partnered with NVIDIA, making it a stock to watch. What this means for you: big tech is pouring money into AI, which means more AI features in your apps and devices soon. Conclusion and key takeaways. That's your AI News Roundup for July 16th, 2026. From Japan's national AI factory to Microsoft's surprising move against its own partners, AI is moving fast. Stay tuned for more updates next week. Don't forget, if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. I read them all.